What's going on, photography fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best DSLR cameras under $1,000 in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these cameras, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comment section for us. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of these products, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. For the first camera that we picked, we've got the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. Next up, we've got the Nikon D5600. The third camera that we picked for our list is the Pentax KP. Next up, we've got the Nikon D7200. Last but not least, we picked the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark III. Alright, photography fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which DSLR camera you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.